Hi, Namaste, Mr. Raghav. Thanks for accepting our invitation and thanks for sharing your insights, experience, challenges to our students. Before going to the interaction session, please introduce yourself, my dear students.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nikita. I am from fourth year chemical.
Okay,
My name is Jagdishwar Rao sir from Final Year Chemical sir.
okay.
Sir, my name is Bharat. I am from Department of Chemical Engineering final year.
Bharat.
My name is Naveen sir. I am currently pursuing final year BTech Chemical Engineering.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain the overall production process and manufacturing involved in the cement production?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, first, in production and manufacturing process, number of processes are there. Okay, from limestone handling to cement, produce the cement. Uh, Limestone handling, crushing, blending, preheating, clinkerization, and cement. Okay, these are the procedures. So, we want to know that first we know about ingredients what we are using in there in the cement. Mainly we are using limestone additives, means clay, iron ore. We are using in the cement. These are the main parameters in the cement. So, after limestone adding additives and iron ore, we prepared some designed material. Okay, that material undergoes high temperature 1300 to 1450 degrees centigrade. After that, nodules will form, that is called as clinker. After clinkerization, we add some fly ash or some gypsum to increase the setting time in the cement. Okay, that is the main process. Cement also, types of cement are there: OPC, PPC, PSC. Main for 33 grade, 53 grade, 43 grade. Okay, types of cements are there. Okay, first cement, adding cement to increase the setting, we are adding gypsum. Okay, after cement process, first main we know about preheater, kiln, and cooler. This is the main parameters in cement industry. Preheater means heating the material. Kiln undergoes 1450 degrees centigrade. After clinkerization, we cool the clinker. Entering temperature is 250 and discharging temperature is also 200. So, in between, the temperature will goes 1450 degrees centigrade. That 1450 degrees centigrade clinker rapidly cools in 15 minutes. The cooler residence time is, for cooling, 15 minutes is there. Okay, in 15 minutes, the 1450 degrees centigrade comes down to 200 degrees centigrade. If it will not come, quality will come down. So, these all parameters will check and operation. So, this is the main parameters of the cement manufacturing.
Sir, out of this process, which is the most energy intensive process, sir?
Energy means,
Means which requires more amount of energy to complete the process.
yeah, this energy 790 kilocalorie per kg clinker. In this process, 750 to 790 kilocalories per kg clinker we are energy giving to produce the clinker.
Sir, my question is, what are the key challenges faced by the cement industry in terms of production efficiency?
Yeah, challenges are there. One is to give the environmental challenges mainly.
Yes.
Why? Because of we are giving 7% of the CO2. Cement industry only giving 7% of CO2 in the worldwide. Okay, 7% of CO2 worldwide. Cement industry only giving to the environment. So nowadays we have some high advanced technologies. CCS means CCS, carbon capturing and storing. Already I told you. Okay, that is, though we are reducing the CO2 to goes to environment and reusing the CO2. That is the main parameter. That is the challenge. And also we are using alternative fuels.
Yes.
Okay, alternate fuels to reduce the coal consumption. We are using alternate fuels. Alternate means other than coal. Mainly we are using coal for the energy. So we are using oils, waste oils, pharma waste, and biomass, etc., etc. Number of alternate fuels we are using to reduce energy consumption, to reduce the energy consumption. This is.
Sir, what are the primary environmental concerns? Sir, what are the primary environmental concerns associated with the cement manufacturing?
Yeah, oh, that is already I told you. CO2. CO2 main environmental, to reduce the CO2, to reduce CO2. Don't give CO2 to the environmental. The main impact on the cement industry. CO2 will not give. So we have some advanced technology is there, CCS. Okay, that one. Next.
So how are the industries addressing these kind of environmental issues? Means what are the steps to be followed to reduce these kind of impacts?
What type?
Environmental impacts like pollution. And so.
Yeah, we are zero dust emissions. So earlier we gave more dust in the environment. Now zero dust pollution we are giving. Number of ESPs are there, electrostatic precipitator. We are reducing dust pollution. Okay, dust collectors are there. We collect the dust. We are not giving dust to the environment. These many steps are there to reduce the dust pollution to the environment.
Sir, my question is, if my students are willing to come in cement industry, what this says to you? What are the skills required from them? What the industry requires from students? What the skills?
The skills means mainly subject.
Yeah.
Subject means a related subject. Cement industry wants chemical engineers and mechanical engineers and electronic engineers, electrical engineers and civil engineers also. So all students the cement industry wants. So if you have any subject, if you have any knowledge in that according to your subject, you must join in cement industry. Cement industry welcomes you. Number of vacancies are there and evergreen. The cement industry is the evergreen. Never it will fall down.
Yeah, thank you very much for spending a lot of time with my students. Thank you very much, sir. Once again, we will have one more session for you.
Okay.
Always my university welcomes you also. Thank you very much.